again. Today we are going to look at Blizzard this time. Yeah. So I noticed something about Larry's chunk. Wait, let me show you easily. Let me go inside. Oops, my face. Look at his loveness. What the? Look, my horse is like not that bad, but never mind. That's so strange. I think nothing changed here because I look around. Nothing changed here, so I think this is like a normal, but the trees change only. Because look, there are lots of trees, but there's nothing that changed in Blizzard. By the way, I wanna really see Lunar because Lunar looks like so different. I watched a video about Lemon and Lunar changed so badly. Like the trees. I don't want to spoil it, so you'll see. Nothing changed, so I will end the video here. And bye.